Hey everyone, welcome back to Alltech, your go-to spot for smart tech solutions. Today we're taking a look at the DONGJIAN HDMI Audio Extractor, a compact plug-and-play device that promises to simplify your home entertainment setup. Let's dive in. This HDMI audio extractor is a great solution if you're looking to separate audio from an HDMI signal. It takes one HDMI input and gives you both an HDMI output and a 3.5mm stereo output. That means you can send audio directly to your soundbar, amplifier, or headphones without needing to power on your TV or monitor. It even supports separate LR audio output for added flexibility. A standout feature here is its EDD auto management. It automatically detects your signal source and adjusts to give you the best link quality. Quick note, make sure your signal source is set to PCM format if you're not getting audio. Also keep in mind it doesn't support transmitting TV audio back to your headphones or amp. On the video side, this extractor doesn't skimp on resolution. It supports 4K at 30 Hz, Full HD 1080p, and even 3D video formats. Plus, it's compatible with HDMI 1.4, HDCP 1.4, and even DVI displays. So you're getting great visual support, along with audio extraction. No need for an external power adapter. In most cases, it runs on low power. However, for devices like the PS4 or PS4 Slim, which have lower HDMI output power, it's recommended to use a USB power adapter or plug it into the USB port of your source device. It's super versatile and works with everything from Roku and Fire TV to gaming consoles, laptops, Blu-ray players, and more. Overall, the DONGJIAN HDMI Audio Extractor is a handy, affordable tool for streamlining your AV setup. Whether you're upgrading your sound system or just need a better way to route your audio, this device gets the job done. And if you run into any issues, they back it with a 1-year replacement guarantee. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews only here on Alltech. Catch you in the next one.